everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take a sheet and then start attaching it as shown in the video. Now take another sheet, make the cutout of it. It will look like a flower and then attach it all together and make so many out of it and keep attaching it. Now take another sheet, do it as shown in the video. Make the little beads or the bugs out of it and then make this clouds. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it into half on different sizes and then start attaching it as shown in the video. It will look like this. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it nicely in the linear way and then attach it all together. Make 4 out of it and then attach it all, and then take another sheet, fold it and then make the cute little elephant, and it's done. For the next one, take some small circular sheets and then attach it in a form of a cone. Now take the leaves and attach it all together and start attaching it as shown in the video, and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take the sheet and tear it roughly. Now take the glue and attach it all together as shown in the video. Now do the process very nicely and then it's done. For this one, take a sheet shaped like a hand and then take another sheet, fold it nicely and cut it into a shape heart. Now take it all and then start attaching it as shown in the video of different colors or the sizes as you want. Now take another sheets and start attaching it and then fold the fingers of it, and a cute little bouquet is done. For the next one in the video, take the earbuds and then start attaching it into the halves. Now take a clay and press it in the between. Now make the lines out of it. Now do it as shown in the video, and it's all done. For the next one, take the stripes of a sheet and then start attaching it from the middle only, and then do it as shown in the video. It will start looking like this, and it's all done. Thanks for watching.